Hello to all. Today I am going to show you that how we can deploy our Flask web app. I already made this Flask web API with hard failure prediction. I already defined and explained this model in my other playlist. So for the deployment part we need two files, requirement.txt and proc file. This requirement.txt we can create it by this command. Okay, pip freeze space requirement.txt. After executing this file, we this command will create our requirement.txt file. Now, in the proc file, we need our app with same file name app.py. Our Python file should be same with this name, and web app should be same as unicorn. And remember one thing that in requirement.txt we should contain a unicorn. Like in this, we have unicorn. Okay, we should add a unicorn over here. After that, we have to store all the files in our GitHub account so that Heroku can connect to our GitHub. I already created a repository over here with name as Hurt Performance. I have all these files in my GitHub repository. After that, I have to go on Heroku website and create a new app name as Hurt Scaler. Okay, now we have to create. Now we have to select. We have to connect our repository from GitHub. So we have to click on GitHub. After that, we have to search our repository and connect with them. Here is my repository. After the connection, it will show me two options: enable automatic deploys and deploy branch. In this option, whenever we change our in our repository, it will directly change our this deployment also. So for now, I am going to deploy branch. Now it will install all the libraries from requirement.txt. I already made all the explanation in my previous video in my different playlist name as. Okay, can see I have a solved project playlist. In this, I already showed the explanation of my projects. You can go over here. Here is the hard performance prediction model I already explained. You can go check it here. Now it will take some time. Now here the profile will work. It will activate our Unicorn library to start my app.py file. Now it is the website of our web app. After completing the process, they will show us a view button. Now this, it means we have successfully deployed our model. Now see, our model is successfully deployed. We can add any value over here, 45. Now it will show us there's a high risk. Thank you to all. Bye. Peace service channel.